Hello, and thank you for joining us for Connections at Home. My name is Gabriella, and I'm the Follow That Food Gallery Assistant at the Louisiana Children's Museum. When I was little, my mom and grandma and I would bake cookies out of a family cookbook that was almost 100 years old. Today, we're going to start our own family cookbooks where we write in the recipes for our favorite meals so we know exactly how to make them again and again. Before we get started, I want you to ask yourself, what are your favorite meals to eat with your family? Does your family share traditions surrounding food? Or how is the food that you eat representative of your family?
In the Follow That Food Gallery at the Louisiana Children's Museum, we love to document our learning and we love to talk about food. This is best seen in our Follow That Food Gallery, where we have in-dialogue panels with recipes shared from local New Orleans grandparents. These recipes list out all of the individual ingredients you should shop for before cooking up a feast in the kitchen.
To make our cookbook today, I've gathered some paper for the pages, a hole puncher and yarn to bind the cookbook together, as well as some markers, pens, and any colored pencils I might use for writing and drawing, and extra craft items that you could use to decorate for fun. You can use the same materials if you have them at home, or you can explore different ways to bind and decorate your cookbook. To create our book, first you want to gather your construction paper and line up all the pages. Use your hole puncher to make hole punches on the left side of your papers. Next, take your ribbon or yarn and make a large knot at one end. With the other end, begin weaving in and out of the spaces you've created along your construction paper.
Be careful not to pull the ribbon or yarn too tight so as not to rip the paper. When you've woven the pages of your book together, make a knot at the top of the yarn and trim any excess. But I'm going to do that off camera.
Now that your cookbook is completed, it's time to decide what recipes you want to include. So what are your favorite foods to eat? What meals do you love to eat with your family? What are dishes that you make to celebrate special occasions together? Share and discuss with your grown-ups so you can decide what recipes you want to put in together. While you're discussing what recipes you want to put in, you can decorate your cookbook with your family. Some things to include might be pictures of your family members, drawings, or your family's last name. This is what I put on my family cookbook cover, and I'll show you more in just a second. But remember, this cookbook is unique to you, and it should represent you and your family. So decorate it however you want.
Next, start to think about how you want to lay out your recipes. Some essential parts of any recipe are the ingredients, the instructions, and a picture or drawing to show the finished product. Here, I show my mom's lasagna recipe and a picture of me smelling the dish straight out of the oven. How do you want to include all of your recipe elements? As you cook and eat and share meals with your family over the next several weeks, you can continue to add more recipes to your family cookbook.
Today, we explored and shared our favorite family recipes, and we made a cookbook to document our dialogues. Each family is unique, and each family has unique customs and traditions that they follow to celebrate. We would love to see your unique family cookbooks. Please share with us and tag us at #LCMconnections, #LCMrecipes. Thank you so much for joining us for Connections at Home. My name is Gabriella, and I hope you'll join us for our next episode. Until then, let's play, learn, and stay connected.